Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment. I want to say thank you for the 10k subscribers, and we are going to set a new goal for 15k right now. First thing though, people, let me tell you something. Yes, when they are foreign, you know who know send you money back home to, but you know go start business, build house, or do anything, or go save you money. You know what you know do. And me go tell you why. This young youth are living in America. Go up on farm work program. Run off up, they set up himself. And things are going good for him up a foreign. Him did get a little piece of land in a Jamaica. Right? But the place where him get the land start develop now. People start buy a lot right beside him. And this boy save up his money and send the whole line money go to Jamaica go give him mother. Go give him mother we push him out. And the woman spend off the whole of the youth money. Spend it off on young boy and all kind of sitting and do what she want to do. And when the youth go down, uncle thing did upon the land, and the foundation dig out. And the little 2 level of black them will line. That about it. And me go break this down to you now, people. You have this little youth here. Him come out as struggling family. Family them a batter because you know Jamaica go sometimes you come out of some family and many people may not know this. Then we think a certain place are that way. So when you go a country, you know have some people sometimes we live like dog. You hear me I say? Probably them not hungry because you don't know say country you know have banana, breadfruit, jackfruit, everything for them. You're not hungry, but the living condition where you live, you can pretty much put it say some people life where them live sometime in the country. Them yard and them house come like a hog pen. And it's not by choice. It's just because them not have no income and nothing now go on in the back of bush. The youth push out and get a work at hotel. Right? And a work on the course at hotel. And when the youth did their work, him get a link and him go up on the farm work program, the hotel program. Right? And when him go up on that hotel program, people, him did it, him go one time, come back. Then him go again, and him no bother come back. Him get married up, then him set up himself and things are going good for him. Right? Him go back to school, him set him things are going good for him. Him did have a little piece of land at Jamaica. When did get. You get me? Not at all on the panel land, but his intention was to put sitting on the land. But the first thing when they do is help to build up the place when they live, him and his mother and him rest of brother and sister them. When me tell you so when come like a hog pen. Right? Him help and sort out that make sure say mommy alright certain type of way. You know? So mommy think little better now so he don't feel so bad. Now him decide say him a go work, save up him money and start build up him house now upon a little piece of land where him did have. People, this man work him shut off in a foreign. Because you know when you're on a mission, many people don't know this. But, yes, when you're foreign and you're say you want to build a house at Jamaica or sitting, you work extra hard and you get a piece of excitement. So you know, see, that me I work towards. And yes, that me depend. So nothing now distract you. I just work, save, and do your thing. People, the man decides him I go start work on the house. The first person who him I go trust who? His mother. The mother are the first person who I think about for trust. Because I'm not trust no brother, no sister, no mommy. Because you know, mommy know the batteration. Mommy see what me I deal with. Me fix up mommy place and fix up the thing. Elevate up with thing. People. So when the man has send down his money, because I left everything in a mommy hand. Because I say, boy, me I left everything in a mama hand. Because guess what? Mama can sort out everything. And me trust mommy. Send down him money, send down him money. Mummy I tell him say, yes, things are work pan, this are work pan, that are work pan. People, when the ground break and them dig out the foundation, cast the foundation and raise up couple level of black like us so. And line out what them are going to deal with. Right? Bearing in mind now, you know. Lot the place when did have the land start develop, so lot of sell this, so lot sell side of him, lot sell side of him. Him no build up no wallet. So you don't know a man just wire around him thing and say a theme part that people buy side of him, people buy side of him. house a build up, house a build up. But you have some people where did they build up them house and them house a fly up fast. You hear me I say? Would you believe that? Every progress if you go on the house, where this boy is sending money, I go give him mother. Because the man decides he nah go down no time now till the house almost done. Then him go down, kind of no time to spend no money. If he go down on no holiday and them thing, they want the whole of that money there to spend on him house. Every dollar, he must spend it on him house. He must send it go give him mother to do him thing. People, the mother now do nothing more than take the man money. And live all kind of life what she want to live. And take the money, buy all young boy car. Buy young boy car. Because she run down young boy. Have young boy they buy car. Give young boy on road to run. Bag of thing. Right? 1 and 2 little news are reach the youth. But the youth now take them there. Because the mommy that chop. You know see a bad mind a chip in. You know just a try draw down the thing. Right? And remember me tell you. The update of the house where the youth a get. The mother I take picture of the house when I build next to him land. And I show the youth here, this a one. Remember, you know, when you're there foreign, you know, I mean, I don't know how much people know this. You there foreign and you build a house and you send money to give somebody with your trust. You now look pan plan. You now look pan style of house. You just know say you want to tell the people them say, I want 4 bedroom, this, that, ray, and just left everything in their hands. Because you just want to see you provide the money. The mother now do nothing more than take picture every time I give the youth an update. Take picture of the next door people them when build up them house. And send it go give the youth excited. And I send money, house soon done. You hear me I say? Money a run. And the mother just down there blow the youth money. Blow the youth money. 1 and 2, the brother and sister them know boy, but through them I get for them little something, then no matter. You hear me I say, so sometimes you can have some family too, and them same one dig out to no yard and make you no walk and beg. This not have to do with house alone. People send them money from foreign go down to go save, and when they go down, they not a dollar left in their account. You hear me I say, people send them money to go open business and do all kind of thing when they go down there, nothing no open. And this youth you feel the pain from his mother. Because he send the whole line money go give mother to build up house. Woman send picture of people house go give son. And the man up there excited say house a bill. You hear me I say? No house now bill. When house deck off now, next door people them deck off them house are sitting. And picture go. Man feel good now because he say house deck off and thing rise up. Me want go down now go see what I want and thing. But guess what? Me tell you say I get 2 little thing. But remember if somebody I tell you them thing about your mother, you're not quick to believe that. You hear me I say? So the man decide now when him see say structure gone up. Place deck off and bag of thing and remember you know every work where you go on next door and them the work that the mother tell him say you go on pan the house. So when decking a go on you know you have to go send a piece of money if you go do decking. Cause whole heap of things you have to go buy. You have to go buy over steel again. You have to go buy over sand, gravel, everything again. You get me I say when you go deck house it come like when you just go do foundation and start below. You hear me I say? And man a send money and the mother did it. And the style and a scam the youth. You hear me I say, I remember the youth already fix up where they come from, you know. The ag pen, you know. And this side now, say me fix up mummy, alright. So now, I want to focus on me over here, so on the little land we did have. Because the place I develop now, so I want to jack my house here now and make it thing look away. People, see when the man decide to come down, because he might hear him little thing that him not really believe, you know, but it a go raise him eyebrow little bit. And the man decides say, I come down, so him say, alright, me I go just pop a surprise visit and go down. And me never go me yard same time. Me first thing me I go when me reach a Jamaica, I go look for me house. Where they off now, come on go see the ray. Cause me know now, see I just put in window and bag of thing and set up the thing. Tile and all them look something there. People, you see when that boy reach a Jamaica and drive go to the land, go the foundation did it. With them dig out and rise a couple of blah them. The mother spend up on Yama for all of the money and have car on road, the man a run taxi. Have a little young boy a dig out her belly. Buy car give the young boy and have another car on road and run taxi and all kind of sitting. And the youth, when they are foreigner kill himself and a try to better himself, him don't have a house down at Jamaica. just the foundation where the two little sitting break and start up the two little block them. Every picture where him get a Smaddy's house. So when him look, there is a house back off, yes. There is a house where almost finished. But fit to feel surprise is not his house. As somebody else will buy land next door him. Some people will buy land next door him and build up them place. Cause all along his mother did they trick him. So this is for the lesson for some of you since you don't know. You don't know who fi trust with no money sometime. You have to keep like a track on no thing. You can't just trust people with no money so. Cause look there, your mother you know. Mother. Sometimes you have whole heap of mother where you can't trust, but you have some of them where you thief, they will dig out your eyeball right now. And now when you're blind, them still a walk you and hold your hand and say, come show me around you so. And you can't see. Them dig you right down in a one hole and left you there to suffer. Believe when me tell you that. You hear me? So if you don't have business around down there, you don't send money if you go save, or you don't build up house down there, you don't make sure say you don't keep track of nothing and know what go on. You hear me I say? Or make certain say, sometimes the person we are do it as somebody who you can trust with your life, and then bring you step to step go right through. You hear me I say? Because too much people face this. Look on this a little youth here. Him already raise up himself out of the yard pen, you know. And set up where him born and grow and come from, you know. And make sure say mummy alright and the little people them around them side they alright with mummy, you know. And decide say me I go focus on me now. But guess what? Mummy me I go check trust with the whole of my money. The mother not do nothing more than mash up the whole of the youth money. The youth not even bother with him vacation. You hear me I say? The youth go back right America and cut off everybody. And at that time, you have to know what you have to do. And no anybody who can send no money go give in a Jamaica and say you no trust them and left them to deal with business. Or else you know go get where the duck get. Believe. 1J progress and no other. You don't have to ask nobody nothing. Nobody now have to tell you nothing. Because you already know how me go to work already. Me people, you keep subscribing to the channel. And again, me thank you for me reach with the subscription over 10K. I appreciate that. Now we are going to set the other target to 15K. And that me now have to ask. We know we can do it. Believe.